Hi, my name is Katie Bowling, and I'm one of the career advisors at Miami. I specifically work with the students from the College of Education, Health, and Society, along with student athletes. Our Career Center is located in Armstrong, downstairs from Cafe Lux, and this presentation will cover the basic functions of Handshake. Here's the agenda for this presentation. We'll cover what is Handshake, who should use it, what are your career interests, how to schedule an appointment, events, job and internship search, how to complete your profile, how to upload your resume, download the app, and any other key features. It may seem like a lot, but it should be pretty straightforward. Handshake is more than just another online job board. In fact, it can be a very powerful tool once you learn how to use it. Handshake is the platform you'll use to view and apply for jobs, RSVP for upcoming events and fairs, including career treks, schedule career advising appointments, research employers, and connect with recruiters. So who should use Handshake? Well, it's open for everybody, all students, all class years, all career clusters, all majors. When an employer reaches out to Miami and wants to recruit our students, we make it a requirement that they connect with us via Handshake. Students should feel comfortable that employers they see on Handshake are reputable. The first thing you'll want to do when you first log into Handshake is to complete your career interests. We're not expecting you to have it all figured out right now, but this information will help you explore and research fields and roles that best match your interests and preferences. You can change these at any point in time as your career interests grow or change. For example, your career cluster might be education, nonprofit, and human services. The industry you might be interested in is social assistance or education, and the job function might be counseling. Another example could be maybe you select 2 career clusters: arts, media, communication and design, and economics and data analytics. The industry you're interested in might be sports and entertainment, and the job function might be data analytics. It's very simple to update your career interests. Once you're logged into Handshake, click on your name in the top right corner, then on Career Interests. There are less than 10 questions you can respond to that will help tailor the information you see on your homepage. Think of it like Netflix. The more you watch a certain type of show, Netflix will suggest others you might be interested in. Same thing here. After you update your career interests, Handshake brings you events, opportunities, and topics that you'll likely be interested in based on your selections. Let me show you how simple it is to set up an appointment with your career advisor. From the home screen, click on Career Center, then click on Appointments, then Schedule a new appointment. Next, you'll choose what you want help with, for example, resume review or interview skills. Now choose the length of your appointment, 30 or 60 minutes. Different students will see different options based on your major and career cluster you selected in the career interest section. For example, this student has a major within the College of Arts and Sciences and has selected 2 career clusters: management, sales and consulting, and government and law. Next, select your specific time. Then, select your appointment medium and give us a little more detail about what you'd like to talk about during your appointment. Now that you know how to schedule an appointment, let's take a look at events. Once you're on the events page, you can register or RSVP for upcoming events and programs. Some events are available on a first-come, first-served basis, so you'll want to be sure to reserve your spot. You'll notice that you can search by tags, for example, by career cluster or virtual session. And with the fairs page, you can view which employers will be in attendance to do your research ahead of time. Job and Internship Search. This is where most students will spend the majority of their time. Using the Jobs tab at the top of your screen, you'll be able to use filters to sort through thousands of opportunities from approved employers that are looking to hire Miami students. On job postings, you can quickly see if you match the employer preferences. You can also favorite jobs and internships to view later and check the status of your submitted applications. Researching employers. This is one of the most underutilized features of Handshake. Whether it's developing a list of potential employers back home or learning about more mentorship programs with desired employers, use Handshake to get your questions addressed. Using the filters is critical to weed out anything that does not pertain to your interests. To complete your Handshake profile, you'll want to include the following things: your career cluster selection, work experience, organizations you're a part of, and skills. Note here, if you wish to edit your preferred name for any career-related technology, please contact Melissa Brown in the Career Center at brownem10@miamioh.edu. To complete your profile, you will also need to upload your most current resume. There are a few benefits to this. 1, it's easier to apply for jobs. 2, by uploading your resume, your profile will be built automatically. You may have to adjust a few things, but it helps populate most of the fields. 3, you can store many versions of your resume or other documents. And most importantly, 4, it helps employers find you. It's recommended that you download the Handshake app on your phone. That way you have access to opportunities and get notifications from employers and jobs you're interested in. And that covers the basics of Handshake. Any questions can be directed to our phone number, 513-529-3831, our email, careercenter@miamioh.edu, and our website, miamioh.edu/careers. As always, you can always contact your specific career advisor. Thank you.